Alright, just got these toy mouse for my cat, and they love them. I mean, you could add treats in here if you want, optional, but overall they look like real. And give some sort of training for them, because if you ever get some in your house, they'll be prepared. So different color, various colors, beautiful designs, long little tails. My cat's been spending a lot of time playing with them, enjoying herself, and him too. So I got two cats. They just love these mouse. They look realistic, very light. They have they're chewable, right? You could chew them. They could bite them. They have a little weight in there, but it's just to keep them entertained. Very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.